Aloha nui o wau no o Aaron Sala.
Aloha o wau o Snowbird Bento.
Nana maua ya o ʻiwi TV.
And we're back. We want to say aloha again to our ohana and our viewing audiences on ʻOiwi TV.
You hear everybody?
Waiau aka-ing. We're getting used to this kind on stage,
like,
live, and on
what?
TV. Toi.
You guys
Mahalo
is here, you
ya
guys is
ʻOiwi
here,
TV.
you guys is here, you guys never leave, and now welcome back. Yeah.
That's how it goes, yeah.
Love the TV live. And who's coming up now? I told you.
I forget.
Oh, Kalam, I'm speaking from my chin.
Yeah, madame.
Yeah.
So,
Pūnana Leo Koʻolau.
That's right. That's what I was thinking. Speaking of
They didn't come
Vernon,
in the very nani.
Koʻolau loa.
Nani loa.
Hui, Koʻolau loa. E o mai e Koʻolau loa.
Ai.
Mai
Mai la o ko Koʻolau loa.
Oh, wahiki. All right. I'm glad you made it. I'm glad they were clear the roads of all the trees and falling.
Right.
Oh, no.
Hi, Dolly.
Oh
my gosh. It's like...
Okay, no, na kamali o ke Koʻolau loa. Pūnana Leo O Koʻolau loa is on the grounds of Hauʻula Elementary. They first opened their doors on September 15, 1997, and has served over Elua Hanelima Ohana, 200 families. Currently, I umikuma maiva mau keiki.
19 children and 4 teachers. Wow, and there they are,
well,
the lovelies.
Half of the 19.
The lovelies that could.
They're in
and
church.
they were in church.
That's what she was.
Okay, mai kai.
Oh yeah, no, mahalo, mai kai.
It's so good to like catch up. Yeah. Yeah, loving the...
Well, it's a Sunday. Half our families are in church.
So we want to mahalo Kumukahia Wallace for serving on the Hoʻomau 2015 Komike.
Mahalo e kahia.
Ai, mahalo nui.
And they're going to be honoring Kanehoalani and the light and the aloha he provides us. Okaipu Kahonu, composed by Kaipoʻi Keling, speaks of the sun's movement between the tropics, reminding us that there's a time and place for all things. And they will end their performance with Kulaiwi to acknowledge our kuleana as Hawaiʻi, he Hawaiʻi au maua mau. Eia no, na kamaliʻi o ka Pūnana Leo o Koʻolau loa.
Paʻipaʻilima.
O kalani kuakini nakini ano na hoku puku ikui o ke ao ka pala o ke ao ina mona no ka umeke ao na awawa makakau pa kau kalai kalolo eia na hale o kuakini o ki o pa'a koluna o nebe kolalo o kane koluna kanaloa kolalo he ala polo hiva no kane he ala ma'abe ula no kanaloa he ala polo hiva no kane he ala ma'abe ula no kanaloa aia ke ala ike kuku piko akea piko kahonua aia ke ala ike kuku piko akea piko kahonua he ala polo hiva no kanaloa he ala ula no kane he ala polo hiva no kanaloa he ala ula no kane eia na havina aliho na vai e ole ke akamai ina mehe uona kupuna. Mai kapina kala ina e ai kamole olu ole ua
Mahalo e
Oh, yeah,
Koʻolau
Ka'umele
loa.
Punahele.
Oh yeah, no. Kula ʻiwi. Classic.
That's a classic.
That's a
Mahalo.
classic.
I ku'ukumu.
Yeah, ku'ukumu.
Ai.
Lale.
Lale.
Kauanoe. Linta
Kimura.
Kimura.
Ai.
Yeah, Nana no Haku.
Ai.
Love it. Mahalo Koʻolau loa and ohana for coming the long way. Even on a Sunday, we know most of our families are probably ho'omana today, yeah?
And you know what?
Yeah.
I
What?
had na keiki o ka'upo e hamana I loko ke iau
See
hui.
what I mean? The
Just
generations.
ho'omau.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why you get po'ohina. You earned it, that
Thank you.
po'ohina of yours.
Just so long as not ole lena ka'awai.
Na na ke ia kumu makua. He mai. He
Yeah,
mai.
hele mai.
He wahi leo kono ke ia. Ke kono a ke aloha. Kahea mai.
But you know what? I just wanted to share that Pūnana Leo Pūnana Leo Koʻolau is also selling handcrafted jewelry at their
Oh.
booth. So please check it out.
Go get
You know,
the
all
nani.
us wahine, we always loving the hanano eau.
Yep.
You know?
And no worry, even though Valentine's spouse still can get
That's
something for
right.
your ipo. Save them, stash them, put them away for another occasion.
Oh, no.
Or-
Just
or
give
wear
them to
'em.
us now. Don't be
Wear it
saving
now.
it for later. We want it now.
There you go. Go.
Aye.
Mahalo for supporting the Ke Kula Koʻolau. Hey, coming to the stage, this is the Academy, Ke Kula Kaiapuni o Kahuku Academy. And we see their kumu and na ke ia. Hey.
You like hearing story about Miss Laila Lele Pali? Miss Laila Lele Pali and I went high school together.
I
How come her
figure
hair is still that color and mine not? Something went wrong.
stress level, darling.
Girl, you
stress
still look
level.
like we were seniors in high school. Oh my gosh, me too, yeah? All right. Not.
How old ke hui ana?
So you know this academy?
So this academy, you know, it was actualized, it was realized in the Kamakau e Lua Kaukani e Kolu, 2003, currently serving students in Papa e Hiku, Hiki aku I ka Papa Umi Kumalua, from 7th to 12th grade, providing an opportunity to continue their education in the Hawaiian language immersion program. They're located on the campus of Kahuku High and Intermediate School. Aya iwa ka lua kumaha mau haumana e 5 mau kumu ki manawa.
24 students and 5 kumu. And we want to mahalo my very, very good friend Ku'uhoa Aloha Nui Ia Ka'umealani Walk for serving
yeah.
on the Ho'omau 2015 committee. This is a mama who has been in it for a long time.
Makua hine ahe kupuna hine
Right?
ki
Ai
manawa.
kupuna
And a
hine.
kumu.
Ai.
Kumu. Oh yeah, hoi. There'll be their performance will include a mele that our kupuna have taught us. They say divine beings who are part of our rich heritage. They also taught us that there is one divine source that guides us in all that we do. When we are as pono as we can be, we are guided by that same source through our na'au, which always shows us truth, guiding us in the way that we should go. Ike comes from that divine sources, enabling us to do that which needs to be done. Mele Ike was composed by Puʻōhala Case, reflects the writings of Kupuna Hale Makua regarding Ike and the kuleana that comes with receiving it. The divine source is known by different names to many peoples of the earth. Yesu e komo mai, composed by Mama Ane Hale Kanahele, reminds us of the teachings of our kupuna.
And that we need to constantly rely on and acknowledge the divine source in our lives. It is with much aloha that our kula here shares these contemporary oli and mele in fond memory of all of our kupuna. And so, you know, as we ho'olohe to this kula, let us bring all those hali aloha of our kupuna to mind and to memory so that we can let them live through us and the choices that we make. Because they taught us these truths, our kupuna of the distant past, recent past, and present. He aloha noi ka ohana o mama mililani kanahele, na ke akua pu me ka akua pau. Here we go. Mele ike, Yesu e komo mai. Please welcome Pa'ipa'i Lima, no Ke Kula Kaiapuni o Kahuku Academy.
Kai
Mahalo nui ke Kula Kaiapuni o Kahuku Academy. Ua ai
Ha'awi
mai
ka
oia i
ho'onani a
kauleo
Iesu.
pule.
Makahauʻoli. Oh, mai ka ea ke la leo hi meni. Ho'omana
ua
ho'onani
nani.
i ke ako ia Iesu. Ahe hali aloha ke ia no nā kupuna.
Ai, polo lei.
Yeah.
Because you know,
Oh,
ko kako
mahana
po e
ka
kupuna
pu'uwai.
aloha la ko ia Yesu. Ai, they are selling in
Oh,
their booth sa mea kanu, mea ai mama, paleili, and mea ho'ona awao. So got some educational stuff, some snacks, some T-shirts, and some plants. So, you know, if you've been pa'a here, which you probably will be till all the keiki are done, when they're done, go holo, check it out. Find out what you're missing up there. Got a lot of ono stuff, especially drinks. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, was that a second?
Smiling
No,
at the
no, I'm
keiki.
just giving the kahea ke aloha.
Coming up is
The
Pūnana
kumu.
Leo
Pūnana Leo
O
Koʻolau. Poko's
Koʻolau.
up, coming up.
Poko.
Yep. And here they are.
We get
That's you,
this
Ehu.
changing audience in the front. Yeah? Oh, love it.
Yeah, that's how, it's the rotating
I love the
makua.
outfit. I want one. Oh my gosh. I'm going to wear that next
It looks
year.
nice, very cool, yeah.
Yes.
Very radiant too, like sunshine. Yeah,
Yeah,
we need
pa mai
sunshine
kala.
Koʻolau Poko side. Sometimes we get no na shan.
Hey, Nani.
Nani, wow, kaila ho'i.
Ai.
Kaila. So, Pūnana Leo O Koʻolau Poko relocated from Kokokahi Kaneʻohe to Pūʻōhala Elementary. And on March 1st, which is almost the anniversary, yeah, coming up. March 1st, 2013 was when they relocated. And they renamed the kula from Pūnana Leo O Kamakau to Pūnana Leo O Koʻolau Poko. And this school year, the kula expanded, opening 2 lumi papa with a total of kanalima mau haumana. 50 students
50
now.
students.
It will be celebrating its 3rd graduating class come June.
Wow,
They want a
Viki.
special mahalo to their new kula, kapua laea, as well as all their kumu, their papa alakai, and the makua that support all of the keiki.
And they will be performing their olikahea e no mako na manu pepe. It is a part of their protocol which asks permission as a kula to enter, that sharing that they are ready to learn the mauliola Hawaiʻi. And then they'll sing their mele kahaku Yesu, praising him to Ke Akua, the creator of all things. No leila, paʻipaʻilima no ka Pūnana Leo o Koʻolau Poko.
Ila le ki ka
Mahalo ho e ka Pūnana Leo o Koʻolau Poko. Ka ma'ama o ko'okou lole makalike.
Ai, nani vale.
He pu'ukani.
Oh, nana ina kiki kane lo ke
Nah. Yeah, no hea. Yeah, ko lako mau botai.
Yeah, no. He long tai.
Long time.
I
All right. Ai au hea oko e ke kula kaiapuni o Pūʻōhala e o mai. E o. Oia.
No,
Kula
but my hair
kaiapuni
kapoe
o
makua kapoe
Pūʻōhala.
ohana, my hair oko.
They never get the rotation memo.
Oh,
You can,
yeah.
you can. Over here is Noah now. It's all Noah up front. Ke hiki no. Kula Kaiapuni o Pūʻōhala located in Kaneʻohe near Castle High School. And the immersion program has been going strong for more than 20 years.
Right?
More than, for a while
Definitely
now.
more than 20.
From the early 90s, Hawaiʻi.
Ai.
Ia e lako. Ia e no.
Lohe ia na
They
leo
service
nahe
grades
nahe.
K to 6. Papa Malao, ka Papa Eono. Mahalo to Carol Pa'ao'ao, Sean Mosley, and Maile Judd. They have served on the Komike this year.
As one of the four major Hawaiian gods, Kane plays a huge role in the lives of Kanaka. His powers and forms are essential to life. Kane's most important form is freshwater. Aihea Kawaiʻa Kane lists the different forms that freshwater can take and the places where it can be found. Please join in enjoying Aihea Kawaiʻa Kane, Ke Kula Kaiapuni o Pūʻōhala.
E homai ka paʻipaʻi. Ke Kula Kaiapuni o Pūʻōhala.
Nani vale oko,
Kaneʻohe.
nani na palule.
Mahalo. In Kaneʻohe, and it was
Maikai.
so appropriate that they did the Mele no Kane. Yeah. Kumuduki, still going. Aloha no.
Alakala how Oli was so inspired. He was drinking his vai. Aihea Kawaiʻa Kane
Aihea Kawaiʻa
was
Kane.
coming out of his
I was
pico.
coming out of my pico.
Thank you. I was like, oh.
So if there was a little wet spot on my kini, the more original. There, I lay like a Kane.
What are they selling?
What are they selling? Well, they're having a little. They have a booth, and I'm not sure which one. But Papa E Kolu and Papa E Ha of Kula Kaiapuni o Pūʻōhala will be heading to Molokai this year, their huaka'i, in the month of May. So go kokua them.
Yes.
They're selling fresh organic fruits and
Yeah.
hot saimin. Hey, that's good for when the sun go down.
Right?
And they're also
When
selling
the
jewelry.
sun goes
How they
down.
all go nice together, yeah? Fresh organic fruit, saimin, and jewelry. Yeah.
She go,
That's
she
okay.
go.
Everything you need.
Under the sun.
So, kaku o yalako.
So I think we might go with our next kula.
Let's
Ke
do
Kula
it.
Kaiapuni o Hauʻula. Where are the
Eo mai.
makua?
Hauʻula.
All right, Pai Pai Lima. We want to mahalo Kaipole Manu for serving on the Hoʻomau 2015 committee. Kanu ia I hola I waho ma ke kala o ka hale I lalo I ka lepo. O halo a ho'i. O halo a ka ono ka aina. Ka mea I hana I mauia kākou. Heivi kua mo o ka la hui. E oli ana nā keiki o ke kula kaiapuni o Hauʻula ia haloa. E na nea mai ke oli o ākea ke mele nā ono ka aina me ke oli kapu ka haloa. No leila eia no nā mele o ākea oi nā ono ka aina oi kapu ka haloa. Put your hands together and welcome Ke Kula Kaiapuni o Hauʻula.
Hana
Mahalo e Ke Kula Kaiapuni o Hauʻula. Na ono o ka aina he mele puna hele ia ia. Haku ia e ana ke Edith kanaka ole. And while Ekela and I were sitting and enjoying the beautiful voices and the beautiful presentation of the mele for haloa, we was getting hungry. Hopololi ka opu. We're hungry now.
Pololi valevao. I could see just kalo, you know. I kalo pa'a, kalo palaiia.
Anyway, kalo is good any old way.
Right, any old ways. All good.
All good. Just
As
don't
it
mix
enters into.
Oh, that's another story.
Oh, yeah, we be talking about Foodland and Safeway today.
Oh,
Okay?
yeah, no, 'cause we have a break soon. But I just want to do a little plug and promotion. The Kula o Hauʻula is selling T-shirts, more jewelry, and all profits will go to benefit their hui makua. So kako o them too. Go look for their booth and give them your support as well. Yeah, Ke Kula Kaiapuni o Hauʻula.
So we have a little switch up on the Instagram and Facebook posts because it doesn't seem like we're getting a lot of hashtagging going on out there.
Gotta do them with them.
So
take 'em out,
shall we
do
do
it
a
live.
selfie now with them? No,
Sure.
wait, got stay on. Can we? Can. Okay,
Yeah,
Mike.
we got time, we're ahead.
Okay, we're going to do a selfie. You
Okay.
all need to be in the picture. Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to count your phone because I'm all here. Okay, Lipona. Okay. I'm get it. Walk on top of the wares. Okay. We Makoko. Everybody needs to like Mino Aka. Wave your hands in the air like you don't care. Okay. Are we ready? We're ready? Makoko. I don't like stand right back to the edge of the stage and then away. Beautiful. Makoko. Here we go. Kai, wait, hello, can I see me? Go up high, Plala. Okay.
I don't want that kind of stick, you know.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Wait, it's the papale, yeah. What's the papale?
But now it has, no.
Bro, we need the papale here. Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Kai, lua, kolu.
Aloha, I'm Lehua Kalima and I watch ʻŌiwi TV.
All of the epic stories of great cultures have their heroes, guardians, and legends. In Hawaiʻi, these 21st century masters are tapping into ancestral memory in times of modern disconnect to sustain our Hawaiʻi for generations to come. Join us for Nalawea The Masters, an original series available now on ʻŌiwi TV, channel 326.
Oh, brother, today was so good fun.
It was a great day of talking with everyone. But now let's eat some leftovers from your gathering last night. You know, the bundled leaves, the dried fish, peppery water, sweet onion, and a little Hawaiian salt.
What you want to do is have the leftovers from ikapone, from the big paina with all the dry akua, with the poi, with the chili pepper water, with the maui onion, with the side action of the Hawaiian pa'akai. That's what you meant to say, right?
Without Hawaiian, it's just not the same.
Join us by visiting ʻahapūnanaleo.org.
I have to be there next time. I'll
And
Hello
we're
to our
back.
viewing audiences on ʻŌiwi TV. We're back. Hoʻomau 2015 here on the grounds of Kaiwiʻula Bishop Museum. 27th annual fundraiser. ʻAha Mele Hoʻomau. No na Kula Kaiapuni e mina Pūnana Leo O Oʻahu. All 13 schools.
Okay, Makau.
Let's bring them
Kula
on.
Kaiapuni, let's bring
Kula
'em on.
Kaiapuni. We have a special affiliation with this Kula.
Just a small one.
Goes back some years because both of us were makua of Kula Kaiapuni o Ānuenue.
Right, back in the
Just
day.
a few years ago. You know, Kula
Yesterday.
Kaiapuni o Ānuenue, located in Pahalolo Valley. Actually, nobody lives in Pahalolo that
Right.
goes to Ānuenue.
We all just
mostly
send our
come from
keiki
all
there.
over the island. yeah.
Aye.
They currently service grades Mala'o kindergarten through 12. Opened the doors in 1995. That's 20 years ago already.
Yeah, oh.
20 years ago there,
Are you good?
1995.
Makika.
Yeah, they are accredited through the WASC, yeah, Western Association of Schools and Colleges, Currently, Wahia Kalohe is ʻEha Haneli.
Wow, I think when we left 10
400
years ago,
enrollment.
there were 300.
300.
Now we're up to 400
400.
Ke Kula.
Yeah, that's from Mala'o to Papauʻumikumalua.
Wow, my ka'i. I want to say mahalo to Regina Hilo and Ken Jinyan for serving on the Hoʻomau 2015 committee.
Yeah. And you know, I want to say mahalo to some of these haumana because they were on the early morning news the other day on KITV. You might have saw them with Anake Po Maikai Lyman promoting Ho'omau and did a beautiful job. Those three or four young haumana. I think some of them are right behind us right now. So Maikai will represent Ānuenue very well. And nice to see that Kilohana on their palule, their palaili still going. That
Right?
Ānuenue is designed there.
Love it.
So, wa haku ia ke ia mele alako e himeni ai. Haku ia e kalani akana, he kumu oia mamua, ma Waiau. I hiki aia ke ao I na keiki e pili ana I ke akua o Kane. So once again, they will honor Kane as the theme for this year is akua Hawaiʻi. They too will be honoring Kane in a mele, an original composed by Kumu Kalani Akana.
Oli aloha no palolo and kane ka'onohi.
Oh, yeah, hoi.
Okay,
we're not worried.
Makau.
Makau.
All right.
All right, we're going to make way
Lava
for the magician.
Koʻomau Vala'au. Paipa ilima no na keiki, amena opio, amena kumu. O Ke Kula Kaiapuni o Ānuenue.
He aloha no, he aloha la.
He aloha no, he aloha la. Aloha e na Hawaiʻi. Mai Hawaiʻi nui o ke awela. Ai ke o nenene e o hiʻihau. Ia hoi o ʻahula. Uia I ke alaka I lima. Ua lilehua o palolola. Lola ka inoa o Hoʻomau. Ai ki ka au ia Waikikila I ke kari o nā kini anei. Ke haʻone au ia ʻoela I ka waikauli mau o ke auhou. Ua nai a me ke aloha pau ʻolela. Ua nani o palolo ua kaulana e. Kane ka onohi. Kane ka onohi. Kane ka onohi. Kane ka onohi. Koʻolau. Koʻolau. Mele mele. Mele mele. Kala ena ena. Kala oko oko maui e. Kane ka onohi. Kane ka onohi. Kane ka onohi. Kane ka onohi. Koʻolau. Kane ka hekili.
Mai ka i e Ānuenue, mahalo.
Ai, pai maho ka
O mai ka pai. Ke Kula Kaiapuni o
Ai, wa
Ānuenue.
mai ka i vale. Mahalo nui.
Brings a tear to my wangurai.
Kane nue nue. You know you kumure rock. I don't know how you guys keep on coming up with better stuff, better stuff.
Catchy ke la mele.
Right?
Catchy tune ho'i.
Yeah, catchy tune,
Yeah,
catchy
mahalo
law.
to Kalania Kana.
Ai.
Haku mele. That's a
Tela
kind,
oye
yeah.
I haku ai.
Oya no.
Oya?
Yeah. Oya no. Nana no i haku. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Our babies just like yesterday they was there, yeah?
Aye. You know what I remember most about this moment right now? Is trying to find your keiki. Hey, going, okay, I've lost them.
Yeah.
And I just hope they find me at some point.
Yeah, but you know, over here is a little bit more contained area than the Waikiki show.
Right? Thank you very much.
Yeah. Hard to lose them. Guaranteed.
Plus, get plenty ohana. Somebody
Yeah.
got malama keiki.
Guaranteed.
You know, because over here we own everybody's keiki, yeah?
Right.
Because that's why we know more words like auntie and uncle. We got to make them up. Because we know more that kai mana'o. They're all ours.
Yeah, oh
We're
yeah.
all makua.
Yeah. Love being Hawaiian.
Ānuenue. I like do that again. Hana ho.
Okay. I'll be your backup.
Yeah, really? You be my fly girl?
Fly
okay.
girl. What? Yo, got a putty.
Woohoo! A pa'e or a pa'i?
Okay, let's get back
I
on
take
track.
it off.
Yeah, 'cause we gotta get them off. They're still going.
Okay, well,
Still
you
flowing,
know,
just like water, yeah? Oh.
which is
the blue and
why
the green.
I just talk story.
Wow, kahe ka
Okay,
vai
okay,
akane.
Kahi ka vai
Ānuenue.
akane, kahi ka vai o ku'uleo.
Okay.
Ai,
Okay.
makakau.
Hello again to our friends over there on OEV TV. Mahalo for joining us this year. Sorry you couldn't be here, but we were in hashtag already, everybody, and we said, hey, it's not too late to come on down to Hoʻomau 2050.
We told them, hele mai, we're not done yet.
Good cause.
Check out OEV TV so you can see, you know,
Yeah, go.
what's
Check out the
happening.
hashtag.
Check them go.
Check everybody's pictures.
Yeah.
It's a time you can be Mahalo.
Come on, let's load them up. Because you know what I always see? Like,
Blow 'em
Hawaiian kind stuff, we get like, sometimes we make 1,000 posts, you know. But this time, we could have choke kaukani posts. If we all were to just post. Blow them up.
Blow them up.
OEV TV, hashtag
get two
OEV TV.
hashtags.
Hashtag
OEV TV.
Hoʻomau
There you
2015.
go.
Okay?
Okay.
All right, Makau.
Let's bring them on. And I see more baloo behind. Okay. Mahalo for giving us the 411. Let's flip the page.
Hold
'cause
on. We have a
small
little
kind
switch
shift
up.
in
Here
the
we
schedule.
go.
Okay.
Ke Kula o Samuel Manaya Kalani Kamakau.
Eomai.
Yeah!
Open their doors in 2000.
They got the message before we did.
Yeah,
Look, they
and
all
the
marked
rotation, it
Kaukau.
happened.
They had the rotation.
Emai.
Elemai.
Hey, I saw some of these keiki practicing the mele with the pa'ipu earlier today on Facebook. And this school, Samuel Manaya Kalani Kamakau, opened its doors in 2000, as we said. It honors the great Hawaiian scholar and historian, Kamakau. The service currently grades Mala'o, kindergarten, to Papaumi Kumalua. Also accredited through the Western Association of Schools and Colleges. Currently, there are Kanahiku Kumalima Mauhaumana and Umi Kumalua Kumu.
70 students and 12 teachers.
75 students. 75.
75,
Yeah.
wow. Waulu.
Oh, yeah, Waulu.
Na ke kiuke o lako. Pakahiapo. I love it.
Kama'abuti.
Right?
Yeah.
Styling.
They're in a beautiful location, too. Yeah, in He'eia.
Aye.
Kaiku. Right at the base of Ko'olau.
I bet you in our television audience got all our ohana, all our hoa, yeah? Watching you right now, thinking, oh, this is fabulous. I can sit in my hale, eat when I like, no need stand in line to go lua, yeah? And watch all these beautiful faces up close. Thank you to ʻŌiwi TV. Mahalo nui.
Oh, yeah. And
Aye.
we can all have that deja vu moment a week or so from now, not even a week, on Friday, this coming Friday.
Check
You
it
can
out,
tune in,
everybody.
Channel 363, and I might got that wrong. 326. ʻŌiwi
Small
TV,
guy.
326.
326.
Go
Check
them
it out.
Go Friday
Aye.
night, yeah, February 20th. Starting from that day, you can recatch Hoʻomau 2015.
And again, mahalo nui to all of our kumu. You know, Kumu Kaiapuni, they're a different breed. You know, they
That's
go
for
hard,
sure.
they malama. They know what is kuleana. And they take it seriously and pass it on to their haumana. Pomai kaina haumana o kia po e kumu. Mahalo nui. And it's so it. Aye.
Oh, this could be yours.
Okay?
Okay, we're going to make way for the musicians, the pu'ukani.
He
Pea, Paipai lima no na keiki o ke kula o Samuel Manaya Kalani Kamakau.
Hey,
Mai kai.
Pūnana Leo, mahalo.
Ai.
Mahalo na kumu.
Na, 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 na.
Catchy, you know that Mele gonna stay stuck in our head,
Right?
in our na'au now, yeah?
Right?
Always loved their, nice to see all the different lole makalike, yeah?
Ai.
Every school has their little kilohana.
Oh,
And their
na
kilohana here,
kapalalau.
this one, yeah, is nani.
Ai.
Makaloa, or with a makau, manayakalani. I think the designer of their lole makalike, their kilohana is Wayne Piana. Remember
Oh,
Wayne?
yeah?
Kapala
Ai.
Ahu, yeah?
Kapala Ahu.
Wayne and Ivalani, yeah?
Ai. Wow, mauno.
Mauno.
Mai kai. Mahalo e nā keiki. Hoi hoi lako I ka pakiko o keia awai.
Oh, hey, it's a beautiful evening, Nani, no? The sun's just setting in the po'ona.
Ai.
Hala. Boy, if you could just see what we see from over here, the glow on you guys. You folks, I know the
Nani
sun
loa.
is making us look like just
Ula
dark
no
blob
veo.
images on stage. Yeah. But mahalo for bearing with the sun in your face, or ma'a makala, giving you enlightenment, all of you folks out there.
He nani no.
Nani no. Kaiwi ula, what a beautiful backdrop. And the other awesome thing is to see that hale right behind you folks, yeah?
Ai.
Hale ho ike.
Ho'omau papai ia kako.
Yeah, oh yeah, no.
Ka vai o ko kako po e kupuna.
Yeah, I'm thinking to myself, the kupuna all peering out of those windows too. And they're all in the trees right now. They're watching. They're among us. We stay awamoing them too.
Wola kalahui.
Ola no. And, well, thinking of our next kula
They
coming
thought
up.
we was going to die out.
When this
But
first
we here.
school, 30 years ago, darling, you was there.
30 years ago.
30 years ago, when the first Pūnana Leo here on Oʻahu opened its doors at Kalihimoana Lua Church
Ai.
in Honolulu, and he makua hine o ai kila manawa.
Well,
Yeah.
komo ka hiapo I kamakahike a lua.
Ah, okay.
Ai.
Kanavalu kumaono.
Kanavalu kumaono.
Yeah.
Ai. And kia makahiki pia oe kanakolu kumamalua makahiki. O kanakolu kumamakolu kia makahiki.
Wow. He makua hine oia
E
kekahi.
makua hine oia. Mo'opuna ka'u.
Oia.
Yeah.
I remember, Ekela's cake, her kaikamahine, her
Kia
hiapo.
kona hoa.
Keoni Lei we're talking about. She was the first keiki that I ever heard speak Hawaiian. I was a haumana at Manoa, Ke Kula Nui. And she came into the office doing studies. First time, she came with her daddy, with Keoni Fairbanks. And that was my first exposure to keiki olelo Hawaiʻi. And look, here we are. And this mele, the mele mama,
Nui keia.
nana.
Ka'u I mau ke ia kumu. Because Auntie Lolena was there at the very first papa of Pūnana Leo O Honolulu. And she's still here.
Tumu pioneer.
Still here. Love it. I love it.
And te malia oi.
Ku mau I kanani.
Pai ki mau makahiki.
Ai.
Oh yeah.
Mahalo ia ana ke. Polole mahalo ke ko. Ho'omai ka ia Yesu.
Oh yeah.
Ai.
So 24 haumana iwa kalua mau ohana right now, currently being serviced there at Pūnana Leo O Honolulu. Himeni ana lako I ke mau mea. Himeni haipule.
Ai, e kolu mea nui a me kela.
Oh yeah, no.
Na Robert Navahine.
Robert Navahine. Oh yeah, hoi.
No leila, makaukau.
Eia no, nau I o ka Pūnana Leo O Honolulu.
Pai ili makako.
Hana te mea hiti. Te mea hiti. Oia te mea nui. Mahalo ia
Ai
Iesu.
ka mea nui. Ai. Mahalo nui.
Po mai ka ina mea apau.
Oia.
Mau no, ka ui. O na kumu, na kamali'i. Mahalo e ka Pūnana Leo O Honolulu. Ana e ke la kakahi aka nui ma ke ITV wa ike ia ko maka. Ai. Still going strong. Some of our, this is our homana,
right.
pili, na hoa pili of our
Now they're like
children.
mamas and kumu.
Yeah, we saw them all growing up.
Right.
Next generation, yeah?
But that's what happened. Ho'omau. Get it? Yeah, you know, people go, what does ho'omau mean? Ho'omau means keep it going. Don't stop.
Ho'omau means concert. Yeah, everybody says, oh, that concert.
Ho'omau means we go sit on the lawn, have a good time. Next up, Kula Kaiapuni o Waiau.
Oh, Waiau. Oh, yeah, I have a special affiliation because my children went out there too.
Then you go get them. Go get them.
Yeah,
you
I
intro
get to
this
get them.
one.
Okay, oh, look at these guys. They're so, they look so vogue. Led by
Right?
their kumu. Kula Kaiapuni o Waiau began in 1987. Our first Kula Kaiapuni here on Oʻahu opened its doors. That's almost 30 years ago now, 28 years ago. One of 2 pilot Hawaiian language immersion programs through the DOE. The school now services grades K through 6 and offers a variety of resource classes in Mele, sports, robotics, and camps.
Wow.
Currently, there are hoʻokahi haneli iwa kalua kumalima ma haumana ma Waiau.
Did you catch that?
125.
Ho'okai haneli iwakalua
Iwakalua
kumamalima.
I already said that.
125. Thank you for
125.
offering the mana'o.
Oh, yeah, ho'i. We want to say mahalo to Keone Wills and Kumu Lahia and Kumu
Still
Mahealani.
going, Kumu.
Going strong still.
Mai kai.
Serving
Still
proudly,
looking ui.
representing Waiau on the Hoʻomau Komike this year. Olono Oe is a mele, a pule honoring Ke Akua Lono, classified as a hula kolani. Olono Ikapo, in its original form, it is a pule or prayer chant to Lono that can be used for planting. It is also a pule done during the makahiki, over which Lono prevailed. It proclaims his kapu over the aina, from the heavens to the earth, from the uplands to the sea. All is kapu, sometimes used as a pule for rain. They will perform O Lono Oe and O Lono Ikapo. Eia no, eia Ke Kula Kaiapuni o Waiau.
Hei hia moe ko ua, lana oe oe o halaula ni o huakalei me he manu e kaninei, he kua hivi, kua lono, kua hale hua kuno ke ke la I hua. I kaho ia me oe laka e I kina hele hele I hua kana no I ke kua hivi, kua lono, e hoi mai. Anoe, eia Ke Kula Kaiapuni o Waiau. Ona kumakua paui hanaui e ka poi ka lahi ku. Ea mai ke kai mai. Ona kumalia paui hanaui e ka poi ka lahi ku. Ea mai ke kai mai. Ona lala lia paui hanaui e ka poi ka lahi ku. Ea mai ke kai mai. Ona vela walia paui hanaui e ka poi ka lahi ku. Ea mai ke kai mai. Huli. Ona bua kua pau e ku e ola kaua kaniko o palalau hala. Hau maka I ole kolo pupu e.
Aloha mai kākou. O lona ke akua ka makahiki ka waluhia me ka aina ulu vehi vehi. Oia ke akua I nana nui ai mākoi ki ia kau o ka ua nui. E hoʻohanohano ana ke kula kaiapuni o Waiau ia lono I ke ia po I ke kahi mau oli. O ka mua o olono oi, pili ia mele I ke hoʻailona I ike ia ma ke kau hoʻowilo. O ka lua o lono I ka po. Pili he pule hoʻomana ai na mea kanu I ike ia ma ka kanu ana. Ea o nga keiki o Ke Kula Kaiapuni o Waiau. Wahi mai o lono hoʻole I ka ʻaina. He inoa no lono.
Kai
E o maikai e Waiau ho maikai na kumu na haumana o Ke Kula Kaiapuni mua loa o Oʻahu. Still going strong, 28 years now at Waiau. And then their hoʻi, that's their oli kula paha, yeah? Yeah, they identify themselves the school with the red dirt, because we don't get plenty red dirt out there, yeah?
Right.
And iuka o pu'uloa, yeah, just mauka of what they call prohapa, pu'uloa hoʻi.
Aye.
Okay.
We're about to come
That
to
was our final kula, yeah,
Aye.
of the 13.
Aye.
Homaika pai for all of our kula, yeah, representing, showing us that uola kaʻolelo Hawaiʻi, our language lives strong and still going. 13 schools, so proud.
Aye. So,
Darling, I'm trying to make way for shifting over here.
Yeah,
I'm going to
we're-
shift the other side you, okay?
okay.
Keep talking.
Okay, Hikino. So we're about to bring all of our kula back onto the stage. So I just have a few little announcements. So everybody can start gathering. Anyone who's up here who might be in front of the kaula that's here, can you just sit a little further back because we need all the room we can get. All of our haumana are about to come to the stage. So as we prepare for that, we're going to take a little 30-second break for our audience at home, enjoying our concert.
Mahalo for tuning in to ʻOiwi TV.
So we'll be right back with our finale and with Kai Holu. Okay, mahalo nui.